YouTube channel. And this particular video, I'm talking about this particular beautiful project called Orvex Hub. Yes, I know you might have been hearing about the wallet connection that a lot of people have been talking about, which I'll also be sharing in this particular video. And more of that, I'll be giving you an in-depth information on how you'll be able to position yourself so that your global ranking can actually be high. That is all I'll be sharing in this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so anything to upload any other new video. And if you want to start a particular project because the listening is actually coming in the month of August, you can still get started now and smart a lot of people. I'm kidding you not. Yes, in fact, I've not been active and I doubt if I've actually created any video on this particular project. But if you are part of my community member, I've actually shared the link when I actually started with them. And those that are serious must have actually gotten some certain amount of point. So that is what I will be dropping my WhatsApp community link in the and also in the comment section of this particular video. If you want to join the particular project, I'll be dropping my referral link in the and also in the comment section of this particular video. So let me show you now. This is the amount of token I've actually amassed, which is 17,437. And this is currently my global ranking, which is 10,982 now. So let me quickly show you the information which they actually share before we go into how you'll be able to connect your wallet. So this was the post they actually posted on their X account page, which was on the 30th of July 2026, which was yesterday now. So they say pre-claim is now live. They say the last standing between you and TGE. Open the pre-claim tab in the app and you will see the full record, your OX balance and your global ranking of. You can see for me to have 10,000 out of 586,000. Yes, I'm currently plus user, task completed, jams, gameplay, wagers and more. Hit pre-claim, confirm your Solana address and your airdrop allocation is registered. Two things to know. First, you need 6 complete tasks. So I'll show you how to complete this particular 6 tasks. To unlock it, take tax you already did count. Oh, I'm happy about that. So most of you are eligible right now. Second, double check your wallet address. It confirmed once and cannot be changed. So that is where you need to be careful. Then I'm seeing a lot of comments from a lot of users even saying that, wow, can they connect Trust Wallet? So let me show you the best wallet you'll be able to connect. So let's dive in right now. So if you are talking about Phantom Wallet, the best you just need to collect is your Phantom Wallet. So go to your Play Store, Apple Store, tap on the search bar and just type on the word Phantom. So that is the best. Phantom Wallet is the best for Solana. So I have it here already. Let me not update it. Let me just use the one I have first. So you just have to install. If you don't have it, let me show you how you'll be able to go about it. So now I've actually updated this. So these are the Phantom Solana wallet address that I was using to do meme coin then. So you could see it's saying Solana here now. So you just tap on it. So after you have tapped on it, so what you need to do is that you click on these 3 dots, you tap on it, you tap on received, then it will show you your Solana address. So this is my Solana address. Let me tap on copy. It has copy. So let me go back to the airdrop wallet. Now this is the airdrop wallet. Now let me tap on this particular place. This is the pre-claim dashboard here. So this is it now. You can see airdrop claim. So you will see everything that we have done here. So I will input my Solana address here that I copied. You can see here. Then I'll tap on pre-claim. This is say in this address, is this address correct? Check its character. It is correct. Yes, it is correct. So that is it now. You could see now it's a airdrop pre-claim. So that is what I just have to do. You say you are approved because I've met with all their requirements. Say for the airdrop, your wallet is registered and your status are locked in. Nothing else to do right now. So if I come to this particular wallet section here to check, you see that address is already registered there. So you could see this is my Solana address already registered there. So this is pretty much what you need to do for now. So you just need to key into particular because they have raised over 1.7 million, which they have raised, and this particular token total supply will not be nothing more than 1 billion, which is good, and 35 is going to the community 100%. So this is all what you just need to do for now to stay positioned. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.